Treadz is the Floorte stair renewal system from Shaw Floors. This easy-to-install stair covering is available in many color and style options to coordinate with new or existing floors. Treadz is designed for use with stair treads up to 11¼ inches in depth, 47½ inches width, and up to 1 1/8 inch thick. However, thicker existing stair treads can be modified to work with Treadz. Before you begin installation, you will need the following tools and materials. Treadz should be installed from bottom stair to top, beginning with the first step riser, then Treadz continuing to the top set. The following demonstration shows application of Treadz on an open-ended right return staircase. Treadz are available with right or left returns for open-end steps, as well as centers for enclosed staircases. Start by removing any carpet, pad, and staples from the existing staircase. Make sure to remove any edge finishing as applicable. A scraper and/or pliers should be used to remove all staples and remaining pieces of pad. Vacuum the staircase and make sure it is free of debris. If spindles are attached to existing stair treads, they will need to be removed prior to Treadz product installation. A professional finished carpenter should be consulted to properly complete this task. First, measure the height and width of the existing riser. If necessary, use a table saw to cut riser height or compound miter saw to adjust width before applying to staircase. Then, apply adhesive to the riser. Use heavy-duty construction adhesive. Apply a 1/4 inch thick bead around the perimeter. Then, use a zigzag shape throughout the middle. Adhere riser to staircase. To install the stair tread, start by measuring each step. Measure twice from both sides of the tread. Use a T-bevel or angle gauge to measure the corners. Cut down the width of the treads using a sliding compound miter saw. Use a table saw to make any alterations to the depth of the treads that run along the entire length of the product. Check the cut for accuracy by dry fitting treads onto the stair before setting in place. Apply adhesive to Treadz product. As before, use heavy-duty construction adhesive. Apply a 1/4 inch thick bead around the perimeter. Then, use a zigzag shape throughout the middle. Adhere product to stair tread. To keep treads in place, you can secure with 3 to 4 brad nails across the width of the tread, no more than 1/4 inch from the current riser. The next riser should cover any nail holes. Continue installing risers and treads in alternating order from bottom to top until you reach the top stair. Once all risers and treads have been installed, you may need to caulk the Treadz product. Apply caulking around the perimeter of the stair treads and risers. Wipe clean for a finished look with no gaps. Allow time to dry before using. For open-ended staircases, you will need to apply coordinating half-round returns. Use adhesive and brad nails to apply returns to the end of the stair tread. The return on the riser will need to be mitered at a 45-degree angle. Then, apply to staircase with adhesive and brad nails. Use coordinating putty to cover any nail holes in returns. Treadz is an efficient and durable way to update your home staircase. For more information on Treadz products, please visit www.shawfloors.com.